Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer faster. So in this video I'll be explaining you the problem chef and operators. So let's read out the problem. Chef has just started programming. He is in the first year of engineering. Chef is reading about relational operators. So relational operators are operators which check relationship between two values. Given two numerical values a and b, you need to help chef in finding the relationship between them. That is, first one is greater than second, or first one is less than second, or first and second one are equal. So in this case, yeah, we have test cases. So let's take input for the test case in variable t. So for every test case we call a function solve, and its return type is void and it does not have any parameter. Auto complete successful. Okay, so we have two integers a comma b. Let's take their inputs. So in this problem, basically, the like you will be basically understanding what is less than operator, greater than operator, and equals to operator. So they have given three test cases in which we have 10, 20 first in first test case. So what we have is a as 10 and b as 20. So in this case, basically you will have to study about the relational operators. So this is basically less than operator we say, this is greater than operator we say, and this is equal to operator we say. This is less than, this is greater than, and this is equal to. So the now question comes, less than what? So this operator is placed between two variables. Let's say we have a variable and b variable. So how do we read this? A is less than b, which means whatever value of a is there is lesser than the value of b, and this we read a is greater than b, whatever value of a is there is greater than b, and this is a equals to b. In mathematical we denote this one, but in programming we do not equals to like this, because in programming a equals to 10 means we are assigning 10 to a, right? But here equal to we use by using double equals. So in this problem they have given a as 10, okay, and b as 20. So if you try to see this 10 is less than 20, 20 is greater, right? So in this case we'll have to display this one, less than. Now this is first example. In second example what they've given is a as 20 and b as 10. So what we have is 20 we have and 10 we have. So if you see 20 is greater than 10, right? Because 20 yeah, it is obviously greater. So we'll have to print this case. It is looking, yeah, so we'll have to print this one. Now let's try to see the third example. Okay, in third example you have a as 10 and b as also 10. So now if you see a is 10, a is 10, b is also 10, and if you try to see both are equal, so in this case you will have to print this equal to, since both are equal. So let's try to code it up. It's very easy problem. I think the main intention of the problem is that you understand relational operators. So what we have is, like, if a is less than b, which means a is less, right? So this symbol you have to print. Else if a equals to b, which means both a and b values are equal, so we'll have to print equals to. Else obviously if a is lesser, then it will go in this condition. If a is equal to, it will go in this condition. When it is not lesser and not equal to, which means obviously a is greater. So in that case you don't need to check anything, simply print this one. So let's try to run it. So we should be expecting less than, greater than, equals to, and yeah, we are getting, and it got submitted as well. I think we don't have a run in this case, directly submit we have, since only one test case is there. Okay, there are many test cases. So yeah, so I think this was it about the relational operators. One more time, let me say you. This is lesser than symbol, and this is equals to. In my programming, we use double equals, and this is greater than symbol. So basically, these operators are used to compare between two variables, and the variables are has to be of same time. It may be of different type also, but it is basically used to compare between the values of two operators. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.